Okay, last video in the series, this is in regards to the pool cleaning. There will be a pool guy who's going to be coming out once a week to put chemicals in the pool, scrub the walls, vacuum it, clean the top. That's all included, but it's still up to you as the resident to make sure that the pool is clean and there's not a bunch of debris, that the basket isn't completely overfull, because the pool guy might come and 4 days later there's a bunch of wind or something, the leaves come down, the flowers come down, and it covers this. Just clean after it. You want to clean after it. You don't want to just leave it like that. So first thing, open this up, pull out that blue basket as I mentioned in the previous video, clean it out and put it back. There's another basket in the pool pump, but for all intents and purposes, this is the main one you should worry about. That, and then if there's a bunch of pool debris on the top of the pool, there are pipes over here. There's these telescopic poles. And they have these little holes down here. And by the pool pump in that little shed, there's attachments here. There's nets over there. You want to put in the net here and skim the top of the pool. Also, this brush is used for scrubbing the walls of the pool. You want to scrub the walls of the pool once a week. Again, the pool guy is going to do that for the most part, but just in case you see the walls turn a little green, it might just be pollen, it might be a little bit of algae. Just scrub the walls of the pool up and down all the way around. It takes like less than 5 minutes. That'll be really helpful. If the bottom of the pool gets full of debris, then we need to vacuum it. Basically what you do is you get this hose, you get the telescoping pole, and there's a vacuum over here on the shed. I'll show you what you need to do. And to vacuum the pool, you need to do it when the pump is running like this, under normal configuration. You don't gotta change anything there. There's another way to do it so that it throws a bunch of the debris out to the main drain, to the sewage line, instead of into the filter, but don't worry about that, that's fine. So this is the vacuum head. What you'll want to do is the hose over there, the blue hose, you're going to attach it here. You're going to put the telescoping pole in here and put that in there. Dump that in there. Make sure the pole doesn't go in there, obviously, because then you're going to have to jump in there and dive for the pole. Put that in there. Put the hose in the water. Then open this, take out the basket, and put the other end of the hose down that hole. Now it's going to catch some air, so you'll see the water flowing there. It's going to stop and you're going to hear the pump kind of struggling there because there's air. If you really want to do it right, for me, for the longevity of the pool equipment and all that, just run the hose down in the water so that there's water inside the hose and it's just not air sucking in there. But either ways, you put the hose down there, but only put the hose in there once the vacuum head is actually in the water. Don't ever put it out here, because then you're just sucking air into the pool equipment. So put that in there, put the hose in there, and that's pretty much it. Once you have that in there, you just grab the pole and you just kind of brush it like you're vacuuming carpet at a house. You just go back and forth, kind of just vacuum like that series. It takes 5-10 minutes, something like that. And you could also, once you get here, if there's some debris in the jacuzzi, if you wanted to get in the jacuzzi, just pick up the hose, just quickly just pass it over. It's not good, it gets air in the hose, but if you do it quickly, it should be fine. Put it in there. You could scrub a little bit if you're going to get in the jacuzzi or whatnot, so there's not a lot of debris when you're in there, and you should be good to go. Like already you might be able to see there's little leaves. So if I wanted to jump in right now, I would do that. I would get the hose, put it in there, run it over here, clean the bottom, and get the net with another pole or that same pole. Once I'm done with vacuuming, just kind of sweep out the little leaves so you have a nice clean spa jacuzzi space there. And that's pretty much it.